It's interesting to consider why older generations often reminisce about the past, claiming that life was better in the 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s. Recently, I've noticed a lot of chatter online about how the 80s were particularly great. This nostalgia seems to be a common theme, reflecting a longing for what many perceive as simpler, more enjoyable times. Nostalgia is a feeling that every generation experiences. While certain trends, like fashion, may resurface, time inevitably marches forward. If you're part of Gen X, chances are you'll find yourself mirroring the attitudes of your parents. Remember how they often reminisced about how much better things were in their day? The reality is that we need to accept the present for what it is and focus on moving forward. I'm tired of seeing, oh, it was better back in the day. Question: was it really?